Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special, the Chin Dimple Softener Technique. It's a super easy, natural way to work on those chin dimples, and all you need are some awesome plant-based oils or butters. First things first, grab your favorite plant oil or butter. I love using jojoba or rosehip oil because they're so nourishing. Just apply it generously on your chin. It helps with the exercise and keeps your skin hydrated. We're targeting two main muscles here, the mentalis at the tip of your chin and the depressor labii inferioris, right below your lower lip. These guys are key for a smooth, toned chin. Alright, let's get to it. Push your lower lip up, like you're trying to cover your upper lip. Hold it there for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll feel your chin muscles working. This movement helps tone those muscles and smooth out the dimples. Do this about 10 times. Remember to relax your face between each rep. It's a gentle, effective workout for your chin. And that's it. Simple, right? This technique not only helps with the chin dimples but also gives your skin some love with those natural oils. Give it a try, and let us know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Keep glowing naturally. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.